Hi everyone, and welcome to my presentation about KTH work on sustainable development. I will address some issues and show the role of our university in the net zero transition, and I will discuss innovation and impact at KTH for research and education. My name is Mikael Östling. I'm the Deputy President of KTH. First, a couple of facts about KTH. We're the largest technical university and also the oldest technical university in Sweden. We have about 17,500 students, about 5,000 employees, and more than 100,000 alumni in over 100 countries in the world. We have a very strong faculty. We have more than 300 full professors and about the same amount of associate and assistant professors, and overall a very strong research staff with more than 2,500 researchers with a PhD. Lots of doctoral students, also 1,600 I think we have at the moment. And we are a truly international university with more than 2,000 international students on deck. Our core values rests on 4 pillars, of course, sustainability, but also equality and digitalization and internationalization. And to do this, we have some overarching strategies for impact in sustainability. And that is that we should always be a leading technical university within education for sustainable development. We should also be a leading technical university within research for sustainable development and climate neutral society. And our collaboration, research and innovations are definitely contributing to sustainable development and makes a clear impact on society. All of these things are always integrated into everyday's operation. And we would like to be characterized by having efficient resource management that also contributes to the sustainable development and climate neutral society. So all in all, we believe that we are a technical university for climate transition and a climate neutral society. I will take you to a few cases that we will be able to discuss later on. But the first case is that we have a project called KTH Live-in Lab, which is a project that accelerates innovation in the built environment. We have a test infrastructure. It's a flexible physical platform for collaboration and research. This means that we have a net zero student housing complex with lots of things that contribute to the net zero operation. We have solar panels, we have efficient storage, we have heat pumps, heat recovery, etc. And that sets up a collaboration platform where we have the interface between academy, individuals, and industry that creates a value on sustainable development. What we have done is to monitor and design different student housing strategies. And over the years from 2018 until now, we have developed different understanding about net zero living lab. And this has resulted actually in that now is about 6,000 new apartments being built by the city of Stockholm that adopts many of the research outcomes of this project. So this is really truly impacting a society with the research from KTH. Another example of how we tackle the sustainable development is educational building with extensive sensory installments that really also shows students how we can build for the next society or the net zero society. It is a huge building and it is using new teaching and learning experiences. Third example I would like to address here is a major project that KTH is set to coordinate in Sweden. We call it the Viable Cities project, and it's a Swedish strategic innovation program to meet the climate neutral and sustainable cities goal until 2030. The mission is climate neutral cities 2030 with a good life for all within the planetary boundaries. It's a huge project, a total investment of about 100 million euros over the years from 2017 to 2030. And it's also resulting in many findings, among them a climate contract 2030, which is a Swedish climate city contract involving actually 23 municipalities all over Sweden, from north to south. And what is amazing is that this includes almost 40% of the total population in Sweden. So with all these findings that really comes to address 40% of the population in Sweden, I think this is a clear impacting project. Being a technical university, of course, means that we have the systems view on sustainability. And that means that we understand that the system contains of different parts, of course, subsystems, and they have different roles. We have to understand them. It has to be organized in a functional way. We need to have overarching goals that are very clear. We need to use and understand what kind of resources that are needed to meet the goals. And we have to set the system boundaries in a very clear way. Finally, of course, these kind of large operation needs firm management that really does what it is supposed to do. So with these three examples, I think I will end my presentation by saying that we are a truly international and devoted university trying to do the right things for the net zero society. And with that, thanks for listening.